I'm just noticing how faded the pass is, the campground pass is, having sat in the window in the sun for just a couple of days. Yeah. So anyway, it's 7:10, and it's coming up on 1 p.m., which is the expiration time of this pass. So it's time for us to get out of here. In a previous segment, I talked about maybe checking out some waterfalls around the UP, and I did a little additional homework on that thought. And I don't know, Google was kind of showing me that the route into several of these waterfalls are a little sketch, and so, I don't know. But the other thing was is that a lot of them weren't particularly majestic waterfalls. They were just sort of more like a change of elevation, so it's kind of like water running downhill over some rocks or something like that, but nothing tremendously spectacular. So we're going to stop at one, I think, or at least try to, that's not too far from here, which is Baraga, Michigan. And so we'll see if we can, maybe at least check out one. I may look for others along the route through the UP. We're still fairly close to the west side of the UP, and so we got to make our way over to the east side of the UP and then head kind of south down into the lower peninsula of Michigan, the mitten of the state, as it were. And so the other thing that I thought about looking for was lighthouses. But I do know that between here, Baraga, and Marquette, there's not much in the way of roads. So even if there are lighthouses along the shore, it's not going to be something easily attainable. So I think we'll just have to play that by ear, and I'll continue to do some more homework on that and see what we come up with. So that's kind of the plan for today. I will get out the GoPro. It's right here, and I will clip this onto my dashboard up here. That's kind of how I've been doing it lately. It's been working okay. And I hope you're enjoying the drive portions of the videos as we go from place to place. If not, mention it in the comments, and if you'd like to see more of it, mention that too. Okay, I'm going to fire up the car now, and or the van. We're going to fire up Joy, right, and try to somehow get our way out of here. This is an interesting scenario I've gotten myself in terms of backing into this site number 26 at Baraga State Park, and just in order to get level. So, and that's so important. And I really didn't want to pull out leveling blocks and doing that whole thing. So I managed to find close enough to level to be okay. And but now I got a creative exit plan that I got to put in place. So I'll see you in the drive.
Take the next right onto Baraga Drive, then turn right onto US Highway 41 South. Turn right onto US Highway 41 South. Continue on US Highway 41 South for 3 miles.
Okay, there is a waterfall in here somewhere known as Middle Falls. I don't know about the upper and lower falls, but these will be the Middle Falls. And there's a big puddle here. The reason is we got quite a bit of rain last night, and some hail. So no damage that I can detect, but definitely was hearing it. Hard to miss when you're living in a van. But let's see, now this trail, as I see it on Google Maps, should come to a U-turn, and then somewhere off to the left of that U-turn will be the falls. And I mean, I don't know, I hope that there's some sort of a path into it. Definitely a path through there, but it's not maintained at all. I'm just wearing a pair of shorts, so probably not the best choice for cutting through the brush. Who knows what the tick activity is around here. It could be pretty intense, but I don't know. Haven't seen one yet. Knock on wood. Kind of hear some water down there through the trees here, and I do see some water down there as well. Okay, I'm going to zoom way in there. There's definitely some water going downhill or through some sort of turbulence. So let's see if we can figure out how to get down there. So we'll continue to go this way. And on Google Maps, it shows that after that U-turn back there, there's a fork in the road up here. It looks like this could be it right here. Interestingly, it looks to me like these are old railroad ties. So maybe there were some tracks that went through here at one time. Yep, I think that's a railroad spike right there. So that's interesting. And the sound of rushing water is definitely getting closer here. I think if I go down here, we should be at the falls. Aha. Okay. This is pretty. And there does appear to be a developed trail through here. Oh, sure. This is awesome. I'm going to come around here a little bit. There's a park bench right here. But if I stand right here, oh, that's quite a view. Very nice. Very, very nice. Water here looks very clear. As it continues to flow downstream. Beautiful. All right, I'm going to stop and take some pictures. Stop the video, that is, and take some pictures. And then we'll be on our way. This was a nice find. So apparently it's not a bad idea to stop at roadside parks. MDOT has provided this nice little park, and it says Canyon Falls. I wonder if we're going to find a waterfall down here. Very nice little roadside park, pit toilets, and just a lot of nice picnic area. But look at this trail. No clue how far it goes, but take a look. Got some other hikers and travelers visiting the roadside park. All right. Let's see here. I like the established trail. I do have a pair of hiking boots in Joy, in case you're wondering. I mean, if it were a situation where I really had to, go hiking somewhere and completely out into the wilderness, I definitely could do it. Got some more hikers coming. Hello. This is a Michigan Technology University property and is a working forest. All right. Number of different paths to take. This seems to be the more established one, though. Here comes some more folks. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
How you doing?
Very good.
I love it when parks and municipalities and whatnot put in these nice little wooden walk paths. I get that it's not completely natural, but it can make areas a little more accessible that otherwise might be swampy or unpassable. You know, the city of Middleton, where I'm from, has a beautiful park, a conservancy that runs through it. And they have taken great care to improve the conservancy's usability by the citizens of the city, residents of the city. But yeah, beautiful little creek here. I don't know if this will really give us any falls, but we'll find out. A well-used trail here for being out on a highway seemingly in the middle of nowhere. But how cool is that? I don't know if this would be considered the falls or not. Nice little babbling brook though. With a nice walk bridge. This really goes on for a while, doesn't it? A little muddy right here, it looks like. After the rains that came through last night, that's not a surprise. Surprised that isn't more muddy. Yeah, so far the Upper Peninsula of Michigan has been remarkably beautiful. There are many mosquitoes here, I will say that. Some people claim they're the size of helicopters and, you know, all those fun things that people say about mosquitoes. State bird, you know, whatever. Oh! Well, I don't know if you can see through the trees there, but there's definitely a much larger scale river right here. So we may indeed find some falls at some point. We'll just keep following this path. All right. Oh, that's beautiful. Huh. Okay, more trail this way. Just hoping that it will come out in a place where we've got a really good view of the river. Okay. A monolith to the trail. Okay. There's some falls right there. All right. That's only a couple of feet, so not a massive fall, but we'll maybe try to sneak out on the rocks here and see if we can get a better view. I think I can climb down there too, so step off and come down this way. All right, look at that, made it all the way out here. We were zoomed in the whole time. Let's zoom back out. All right. More than a babbling brook. Mosquitoes are nipping at my nose. Beautiful. Okay, I think we'll head back and continue on our way. Another roadside park. Let's stop and see if there's something going on here. If there's a trail, then we'll stop and actually look. And it looks like there is. Okay. Have to come in and swing around behind this guy, I guess.
Take the next right onto US Highway 41 South.
Google, of course, doesn't want me to be doing this. Tioga Creek Roadside Park. All right, let's go check out the trail. And there we are. Actually, right there. Got a nice little trail through here. Walk bridge. And look, looks like a waterfall. This is a beautiful little park. Grill stations and picnic benches. And then let's see what we have here. Oh, this is quite lovely. Amber color to the water, which makes me wonder how much iron is in there. I've heard too that the color of the water can be highly influenced by the types of trees that may be decaying along the river shore. Oh, what do we got here? We got a woodchuck. Is he chucking wood? Hey there, buddy. Turn around so we can see you. Or is it a beaver? Might be a beaver. A broad flat tail. I'll have to double check. How cute is that? Our little walk path just sort of comes out into this field. I don't know that it goes any further. Let me go back to 1x zoom. There we go. Waterfall. Okay. Excellent. Here we go. Tree down. Definitely have to duck. Got a fly that keeps coming up from behind me and trying to get in my hat or something. Okay, yeah, now we're getting into places where I'm going to have to end up touching something. And I just hope there's nothing that's going to give me any problems. You'd think that they would post somewhere that there's poison ivy or something out here. I don't know. I do hear something going on with water up here. And there is the little river here. And flies. And butterflies. And dead branches. And stuff completely across the path. It doesn't look like anybody's been out here to maintain this trail for a while. Fly just landed right on my eyelid. Yeah, I feel much more comfortable with long pants on going through here. Okay, this looks like quite a situation here. So, this is pine, so that's not a problem. I can step over that. And let's see here. Wow. Okay, well, let's see. That has to go up. Oh, wow. That's steady. Seems like it. Well, I don't know about coming back down, though. Got it. All right. This may be where we stop. But you can definitely see the falls right through here. That's pretty. 10x might be too far in. Well, you can see the rushing water there. And I can feel the bugs biting me. So sorry about that. I had to shoo something away. Yeah, that's beautiful. And the sun's even coming out a little bit to put a little glint on the water. Just awesome.